In less than 2 months, OnePlus has launched 3 variants of the 5T, starting from the Midnight Black, then the Star Wars edition 2 weeks later, and most recently, the Sandstone White. But if none of these caught your attention, you ought to see what we have to show in this video. Coming up next on TechPP.com. Hello guys, this is Shubham from TechPP, and today we are unboxing the latest color option for the OnePlus 5T, the Lava Red edition. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified as soon as we post a new video. And trust me, there are going to be a lot from now, for real this time. So there's nothing special about the box itself. It's the same one you get with every other OnePlus phone. So let's just unbox it. Right on top we have the phone itself in lava red. Let's keep it aside for a second and see what the rest of the package contains. So now that the dull part is done, let's move on to why you're actually here. The front is still all black, which is nice, but the real deal is on the back. So this is the OnePlus 5T Lava Red edition. It looks absolutely stunning and is quite a head turner. Unlike the Sandstone White edition, this is all metal and has a vibrant shade which can easily stand out among other phones. Even the fingerprint scanner and buttons have been coated with the same color. The alert slider continues to have a distinct texture which we always love. Apart from that, the Lava Red OnePlus T comes with the same set of specifications. There is only a single variant with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, and the price being the same as before, which is Rs 37,999 in India and $549 in the United States. So yes, this is definitely the most unique OnePlus 5T out there, but I personally would still prefer the Midnight Black because this is too red for my taste, but that's just me. What about you? Do let us know in the comment section down below. That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. May the tech be with you.